Welcome to my channel, The Healer. Subscribe and turn off the notification bell and like and comment any medicine you need. In this video, I teach how to treat typhoid and malaria using a natural herbs at home. Subscribe and turn off the notification bell. The ingredients we are to use to make this medicine are direction for preparation of this medicine are: wash the ingredient properly and boil it for almost 40 to 1 hour depending on what you are using. For commercial use, you can add sweetener and preserver and store it at a cool and dry place. How to use this medicine? We are to take 6 tablespoons by morning and night.